Tally Business Intelligence solution for you. Okay. Uh, this is the first screen, and the screen indicates the name and the punchline: business intelligence and analytics. So BI and analytics, these are the core part of this solution. So the idea is you cannot measure what you cannot manage what you cannot measure. So to manage anything, you have to measure it. Okay. You cannot measure what you cannot describe. So to measure anything, you have to describe it. Okay. And this is the bottom line, to describe what you got, and that is what we are trying to do. We are trying to describe your data, okay, which is already available with your Tally. We are trying to describe that so that you can consume huge amount of data in a really short span of time, in a really short window. Okay. So that is what the entire purpose is all about. Now sir, if you can see, world of data is changing. So in the past and in the future, and in terms of value, okay, low value and high value, you can have this graph, okay, to be visualized in front of your eyes right now. Okay. So in the past, what we used to do, we used to gather the data, okay, to understand the reporting. Okay. Then we began to have reporting and what is happening, and on that basis we begin to analyze it, why it has been happening. Okay. So you've been trying to do that, why it has been happening on your Excel sheet, putting pivot table, putting some SQL queries and all, and then you're trying to monitor your entire organization. Okay. So Talligent sits on this thin line, basically from analysis towards monitoring. Okay. This is where the Talligent sits in between. Okay. So your dashboards and scorecards, you can see on blue patch of your screen in the middle. Okay, like monitoring here, and your dashboard and screen cards. Okay. Here where the core competency of intelligence comes in picture. Okay. Then we will be moving on predictive analysis, that is called prediction, what might happen in future. Okay. So then it is data mining, predictive analytics, and so on. So this is nutshell. Right now sir, you are doing reporting and analysis only. We are trying to help you out to get to the next step, that is analysis to monitoring. Okay. So let's move on to the next slide. Businesses need today. We are into almost second decade of the 21st century, and these are the four core pillar of any organizations, any solution they must have it. Okay, you're supposed to have information at work. You must have business intelligence. You must have anytime, anywhere access to your data. You must have power of cloud. Okay, so if you have this solution in your software, this solution is going to take you for a long distance, right? Now what are the challenges with Tally? See, Tally is one of the really good software since last 3 decades almost. Okay. It has become an institution basically in India. But see, every software do have some challenges, and Tally is a simple solution. Tally has been known by its simplicity, but that simplicity has created some of the challenges, such as manual exporting of reports, which consume time. Okay. Manual business performance analysis, which are subjected to human error, dependence on staff to compile report, no access to the data or information while you are away from the office, complex and costly similar IT solutions and systems that provide business analytics. Okay, so these are integral problem of Tally. You cannot avoid this part if you're working on Tally. And since we mentioned this part, we'll be exactly trying to solve these problems with the Talligence. So everyone should have easy access to the data. They need to make informed decision. So see, this is now the wheel is changing. The page is turning to a new pathway. That you supposed to have decision. You supposed to have faster decision rather than only decision. Because if you lose couple of days, you might lose a business entirely. Okay. So faster and informed decision making is the core competency, so that you can compete with your competitors. Okay, not only in India but on overseas as well. Okay, so everyone should have easy access to the, and this data is yours only to possess. This data is yours only to. You've been gathering this data by putting backup everything, putting that data into pen drive and putting into some cloud solution so that it should not go anywhere. Why you been doing that since last couple of years? Because you know that this data is going to help you in future. Now this is the time you get that data, you put it into intelligence, you begin to understand how you have been performing since last 3-4 years in fact. That is why we come up with an idea from tally data to intelligence. Okay, and so the name is itself indicates intelligence. So what is intelligence? Is a unique artificial intelligence powered, machine learning driven business intelligence and analytics solution for tally. Now there are four keywords here: AI, ML, BI, and analytics. Okay, so these have been deliberately put into this sentence because the intelligence do have all of the four capacities. Okay, we'll show how we are leveraging these upcoming technologies, and we are trying to put this technology in everybody's hand. Basically, it is not something restricted to top level companies which have huge number of turnover or something. This technology is affordable to anybody for that sake, anybody. Now sir, if you understand a new way to work with data, okay, you've been already doing some of the some part of this working way, but this is the entire spectra how you're going to work it out. Okay, so you must have a connection, okay, to connect, search, access, and automatically sync data from your Tally server. That is an integral part. So that you should not ask somebody here, export some report, compile and send it to me in terms of Excel sheet, okay, or send me those figures, okay. So you're supposed to have a direct connection with your Tally's data to your mobile phone so that you can have an access to that data on your mobile phone, and that is to be analyzed the data. Okay, and that is what the next pillar talks about. So the data should not be given in terms of rows and columns. It's supposed to be analyzed data. Okay, so built-in data modeling and lightning fast analytics embedded in core engine. Okay, so see, data modeling is directing towards machine learning because machine learning do require data modeling, and then lightning fast analytics, that is what one of the core competency of intelligence. Okay, the next stage why we are doing this, because you need to visualize the data. Okay, so pre-built intuitive, responsive, and interactive data visualization should be available on your mobile phone, and that should be 24/7 with you. Okay, so we have addressed this part to having your data not only in terms of rows and columns as you see in your Excel sheet, but it has to be visualized with pie pie charts, bar diagram, pie charts, and everything. Okay, like that has to be touch sensitive. You can add and remove the data as per your need. You can have a trend analysis to visualize how you've been performing. But see, your business is not dependent on you only. It has been dependent on your colleague. It has been dependent on your C-level manager. It is dependent on your managers and all. So that information should be shareable. So share the data view with your colleague and colleagues instantly. Okay, so whatever communication channel to use, email maybe, WhatsApp in that case maybe. Okay, that has to be very shareable. Okay, and that capacity intelligence do have integrally. Okay, now the next pillar talks about talk. Okay, so you might be wondering what is talk. So basically it is a question and answering in between you and your data. So talk to your data and get immediate answer with natural language processing. Now the natural language processing is part of artificial intelligence. Okay, so technically you can ask question to your mobile phone, and it will give you the insights from your organization. Now that level of solution we are trying to put into a really small package, okay, and into hand of everybody. Okay, this is really really huge thing we're talking about here. And the entire stuff, this connect, analyze, visualize, share, talk, everything has to be available in your mobility. That has to be available in your mobile. Okay, because your world is now circle around a mobile. You can control your bank account, you can control your money from your mobile, right? So that has to be available in your mobile. So these are the feature list basically: connect, managed, dashboards, KPIs, alerts, mobile application, and talk to data. Okay, let's say mobile application. We have this Android. This is a native mobile application for Android and iOS. Both the applications are available. So connectivity of data is everywhere. Like you can manage your organization from anywhere. You can have your dashboards to be available on your mobile. You're traveling the world, those KPI will be delivered to you on your mobile. If you have put the alerts are available to you. Correct? So these are the core features of intelligence. Uh, let's try to understand now how it works. Okay. So this has been mostly asked question, how it works, and this simple diagram explains how intelligence work basically. There is no mumbo jumbo or magic something. This is dedicated, thought process. This has been one of our innovation, the put time and creativity to get this solution into your hand. So what we are doing tallies, we're getting tallies data and putting the tallies data into intelligence connector. Okay. So combination of license key and subscription key for added security. Here only the first stage, when you are touching your data from your tally, in your intelligence connector we will have this security concern. Okay, on the first place, first step. Now the second level of security is encrypted data, sync on secure server. Now Intelligence server is a secure server. Okay, this is basically on cloud. So the data is internally encrypted. Second stage of security. Okay. Third part, the SQL server. Okay, so ease and fast data modeling, where we are talking about machine learning and everything. So this comes into this area, so that we can have faster and more informed dashboard making. Because technically, what we are trying to do, we are trying to convert your voice command into an SQL query and get the dashboard done in real time. So that's why we're gonna require it. Okay, so we have already seen the two stages of security. Moving forward to, we are displaying, showing that data on your web portals. Basically you can access to from any web portal, for that say Chrome, Foxfire, Firefox, and Internet Explorer, anywhere. And the same data is available on your mobile phone as well to visualize it. So doing that, SSL certificate is also available along with OTP. So one of the concern, how it works and what are the security concerns, that is been addressed into this single diagram or single sheet here. We have different stages of security, since step one until the last stage where you're gonna access or consume this data. So it has been highly cautious about security of your data while we are putting into intelligence server and SQL server. And then at the same time, this is how it works. We are just taking data from one way. So you can see it is a one-way path. Okay, so we are not pushing anything into Tally. We're just getting data out of Tally, which massaging the data and put it onto your visualization application, for that set web application and mobile application. Right. The next slide indicates set the bar high. So this is on my left hand side, you can see tally reporting. On my right hand side, you got tally gens. So no, it is it has been combined in terms of from older way to do work to the newer way to conducting the work. So this is from the simple reports towards your dashboard. That is the difference in between tally reporting and tally gens. Correct. So we will have a quick look for the actual images. These are the actual images you can see on your screen. This is web application. Basically this is how it will look on your desktop and web applications through any browsing solution. These are the actual images again, along with tile and all. This is your intelligence on your mobile. So these are again actual images. This is iOS. After login you will have this kind of images on your mobile. Please keep in mind that this is mobile first technology, so everything is accessible on your mobile only, along with web application. So this